Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
The Lokayukta found serious evidence against village panchayat of Cavelossim involving all the panchas. That is, there is a clear evidence of collusion between the violator and the village panchayat. Thus, maladministration, corruption and remiss of duties is proved beyond reasonable doubts. Direction of ACB Anti-Corruption Bureau inquiry clearly reveals bigger conspiracy and direct involvement of the whole panchayat. Ordering clearly सांगलेले हा and in detailed judgment दिला त्याने regarding the house numbers and the town country planning letter. तिथून सांगले हा illegal house number issue केले based on nothing. But the thing is TCP आणि हे जे कोणाचे permission घेऊन ना त्याने किती house number घेता असणार and today TCP is saying we have given nothing for them. Regarding the salt pen and हे आमचे Khazan land पुरवपाक पंचायत is involved आणि ते सगळे Khazan पुरवून हे दोडो स्ट्रक्चर घातला inspection घेना असताना continue करताय. Are you have all the rights to take an inspection and revoke the license? ते करूंक ना. Lokayukta has directed anti-corruption branch to set up an inquiry and village panchayat of Cavelossim is under ACB scanner now. In January I have filed, till date no inspection has taken. Show cause काढली, कशी show cause काढली? These are the loopholes they are keeping to get benefits in the court for the party.